Hi Aggies. Today is Veterans Day, and here at UC Davis, it's also Veterans Month. We take great pride in expressing our deepest gratitude to Aggie students, faculty, staff, and alumni who served in the armed forces, as well as their families, for their commitment to our country. Veterans represent one of the most diverse communities in our country. There are people of every race, ethnicity, and background who are united by a shared commitment and dedication to serving our nation. I'm honored to be joined by Jose Roa, chair of our newly reactivated Veterans Faculty and Staff Association, and Dr. Joseph Galante, Hospital Chief Medical Officer for UC Davis Health.
Thank you, Chancellor May. Our Veteran Faculty and Staff Association, also known as VFSA, supports veteran, military-connected students and anyone who wants to stand with our veteran community. We are creating opportunities for connection, mentorship, and education, and a space where veterans and their supporters can find belonging here at UC Davis.
Our connection to veterans extends across the UC Davis community, from our campus to our clinics. UC Davis Health partners with the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs to serve the veteran community. Many of our clinicians are veterans like me, or have dual appointments at UC Davis and the Veterans Health Administration. Our UC Davis residency programs, through our partnership with VA Mather Campus, provide hands-on experience caring for veterans in specialties such as emergency medicine, general surgery, and internal medicine. At Aggie Square, we're also collaborating with the Department of Veteran Affairs in cancer and neurosciences research. The military, like healthcare, is about service. It's rooted in a commitment to something greater than oneself. Both demand compassion, teamwork, and the willingness to put others first. We recognize your families serve alongside you. The Veterans Employees Association, or VEA, at UC Davis Health fosters unity and advocates for increase of visibility and awareness of service members and their families.
Our research at UC Davis turns lab work into real help for our service members. From technology to treatment, we are pushing to bring solutions to the community of our veterans.
Whether you're a veteran, a military family member, or an ally, we invite you to connect with us. This can take place through the VFSA, the Veterans Employer Association at UC Davis Health, or the UC Davis Military and Veteran Alumni Network.
Your experiences, your leadership, and your stories enrich our Aggie community. We thank you for your service and for all you continue to do as part of the UC Davis family.
Happy Veterans Day.